Hey guys, filming a campaign for Cremora, and I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes of how we are filming. Abby is here to help me. But guys, I'll show you the results after. I'll share with you guys the results after the campaign is being approved by the brand, because I don't want to get sued posting it before the brand approves. But I'm just gonna show you guys behind the scenes. I'm gonna switch you guys to my phone and then show you how I do it. I won't film you that much though.
Okay.
My husband, you and your hands. Okay. Lift up the plate and then show it to the camera. Need a new kitchen, babe.
It's bad.
It's bad. It looks so like all over the place, so scattered.
Huh?
The kitchen is not aesthetically pleasing. So our content is done. This is the dish. Cremora creamy chicken with rice and salad on the side, but the main dish is this creamy chicken that we made with cremora. So we are done, and that's the mess that we have to clean. I did clean out the mess, so for now we're just gonna switch off everything, eat, and call it Hey guys, we are just checking up. We have nothing lined up for today. We have not been doing anything. It's actually evening time right now. We're just having a play date with the little one before we go to sleep. We just finished eating. We are just winding down. We just came to check up on you guys. Say hi, mama. Say hi. I also bought baby girl this chair, and I think she looks so pretty in it, and she loves her chair as well. So I just came to check in. It's almost time for bed now. I'm having my smoothie that I've been enjoying. It's just strawberries, grapes, yogurt, and today I put papaya instead of banana because I don't like the smell of banana, and it's really nice. I've been having this the whole day. Say bye. And she's so dirty. She was eating right now, so she's so dirty. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Say we'll see you tomorrow. Say we'll see you tomorrow. Mama's gonna clean me up now and go to bed. Yes. 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 So these are all the clothes that I need to pack away, and those ones are my clothes that I need to put on the hanger. And I've already changed the bed. It's now facing this side instead of this side where it was, because it wasn't making sense. All the plugs are here, and the plugs that were behind the headboard, it was just not making sense at all. So this is the mess in my house right now. Messy house right now. And little Missy is sleeping, so I have to pause everything right now, let her sleep. I'll resume as soon as she wakes up, because if I touch anything, I have such a sensitive baby, guys. If I touch anything, she's just gonna wake up. So I have to pause everything right now, chill until she wakes up. Bob the Build. Can we fix it? I'm not sure what to do. just waiting for my nails to dry. Okay, let me come take you. And I'm right here in the room with you. Can you give Mama time to do her nails? Yes. Can Mama do her nails? Yes, she can. She's almost done with one hand. So this is a failed project, like failed project. I even did worse than what I did the first time. I can't even, like, the camera won't even be able to pick, but I'm just not happy with what I'm doing right now. I'm not happy, and I'm not gonna waste my time continuing doing it. Well, this one, what she does these days, if she is close to me, she won't want to play, she won't want anything. She just wants to be held like this in my arms, and I know it's my fault. It's my fault. I'm not blaming anyone for it. It's my own fault, because whenever I'm with her, I'm like always holding her like this, and then I put her down when I want to do something, and then she's just not used to it. She's like, excuse me, you always have me in your arms, why you want to put me down now? Right now she was just playing down here, but since I'm here next to her, she's just being impossible. So I'm just gonna stop this project. I think it's okay to pay someone I did run to do my nails, because yo, this is a lot. It's a lot, especially if you have a baby and you don't have help around the house. It's just me and her today at home. I'm just gonna stop this project. This is what I did, guys. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with the color. I'm not happy with the way I did, like from the beginning, the way I applied my face coat, my base coat, and the color that I chose. This is supposed to be nudish color thingy, but it's just not giving. Everything is just not giving, and I'm not gonna waste my time to do my other hand. I'm gonna leave it here. I'll probably go and do my nails somewhere, or I don't know what I'll do, guys. I'll keep you guys updated, but for now, let me be a mom. Let me play my mommy role. You won't let mommy do her nails. Why you won't let mommy do her nails? Mama gotta look pretty. Do you want me to paint your nails? Maybe we can paint yours. Impossible. Impossible. Maybe I can cut your nails while you're here and the camera is distracting you. Your nails are so sharp, my baby. Okay, that's not happening either. Want to eat now? Hi, Kafun. That was such a nice walk. We felt so good. It's refreshing. It's nice. I also got to make a friend. It's nice to be outside. Another mommy who was just asking a bunch of questions, and we got to be friends. We exchanged numbers. It was really nice being outside. Baby girl, did you enjoy being outside? Enjoy it? She did. She just that she didn't sleep because I just woke her up and then we went out, so hence why she didn't sleep all the way going and coming back. So today's Sunday, loves. I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I'm so sorry this vlog was nothing, like it just didn't go as planned. I didn't want to post this, but I was like, you know what, it's reality, it's realistic. That's why in most of my videos I'll say like realistic days in a life, realistic this, because this is reality. You plan things. I plan to vlog this whole week, but my tooth is, I need to go downstairs and buy a Panadol. Damn it, my tooth is still giving me like pains. It was just not a great week, and you know what, I'm just gonna post it as it is. bear with me, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, my arm is painful. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Please do like the video. Please, we'll see you guys in the next one. Leave your comment in the comment section, even though it's nothing entertaining, nothing, but we'll see you guys in the next week, in the next video. Say bye. Say see you next week. Say we'll see you guys next week. Huh? Everything just failed in this vlog.